Hey Otis, how you doing, buddy? It's Leo again. Here's this video that I wanted to get out to you, just showing some things that you can do to help bring in more business using your website and or your Google business profile. It'd be an honor for me to help you with either or both. I'd love to hear some feedback from you about the video, and I hope these strategies are helpful to you. So Otis, as you see, I've got your website pulled up right here, and I love the logo. It's not a bad looking site at all. Love the vehicle. The photos are pretty good in there. It's overall not a bad site. Beautiful pictures. Yeah, good contact form at the bottom. But if I was to make one of my biggest suggestions would be to add more content. Google loves content. 24/7, they send bots out to crawl these sites. And the bots are just simply trying to identify what your site is and where you serve, where you do service. So throughout this content, you want to make sure that you're including buyer intent keywords. So roofer in Douglasville is a buyer intent keyword. So you want to make sure that you identify all the buyer intent keywords that you need to have in your content and make sure that's put in here on your home page. Google wants to see a minimal of 1,500 words of command content on your homepage, and again, throughout that content, buyer intent keywords. And a buyer intent keyword is the location and the service. So the service that you provide and the location, because people in Douglasville are going to search roofer in Douglasville. You want to make sure you have all the Douglasville roofing keywords on this homepage. That way, when the bots crawl this site, they'll know exactly where to push searchers whenever they come to Google looking for services. Now, I like how you got your click to call up here. You've got access to your other, social platforms, Facebook, Google. Got your little form submit right here. So you're doing pretty good on that for ways to convert. Now, what I've actually done is I've taken your website and put it in a tool I use called Ahrefs. And what it's going to do is give me your Google Analytics and where you're sitting in Google's eyes. Now, the UR and DR is the strength and the trust that your website has with Google. And that's a direct reflection of your backlinks, your content, your keywords. So you've got 189 backlinks with 44 referring domains. Now, the backlinks are what's powering your keywords or powering your website. They are where you get your power and your trust from, because you want to make sure you're getting backlinks from trusted sources. And a backlink is simply one website linking to another website via clickable button or text. But you got to be careful with these backlinks because not all backlinks are created equal. Some are more spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to attack the authoritative backlinks that's relevant to you and your industry. So over here it shows that you're being indexed for 43 organic keywords, and these are words that people are searching that you're being indexed for. So let's pull these up and see what they are. Emergency roof repair, Peachtree City, Georgia. That is a keyword. 0 KD, and it's 100 searches a month. Looks like you're in position 5 and you're pulling 9 people to your website a month. Paramount Roofing, they're already looking for you for that service. Roofers, Douglasville, GA. It's a really good one. It's actually on my list I had for you. It's a 0 KD, and the KD means keyword difficulty, and that's out of 100. So the closer to 0, the easier it is to rank. But you're not ranking for this keyword yet. Roofers in Douglasville, Georgia, you're actually getting 7 to your website a month off that keyword, and that's a 0 difficulty. Now, the way I found you was through the Google Guarantee ads, which is a really good way to get business quickly, but you know as well as I do, once you stop paying, you're off that front page or through the Google Guarantee ads section, period. Now down here is your local map pack. Now this is where you really want to be. This is where you're getting 30 to 40% of your search volume. And you're not in the top 3 here, and that's okay because there's several ways to get there. This is something I could also help you out with, is ranking your Google business profile. You want to make sure that you're constantly adding reviews. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet. because you definitely do not want to mislead Google. There's also a 750 character About Us section at the bottom that you want to make sure that you get filled out, and make sure that you're adding keywords in here as well. By posting branded, geotagged, geolocated photos each week, looks like you got a lot of photos, that will help Google trust you more, and it'll help move out.
What's up, guys? On this good Saturday.
I love it. Let's see what this is saved as. UV. So you want to make sure that you're getting these geotagged and geolocated correctly. That way, whenever people are searching for your services, it helps you in your surrounding areas too. So you also want to make sure you're adding citations. A citation is your business name, address, and phone number in directories like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yext, Yelp, things like that, because Google's just a big popularity contest. So the more information you're giving out to as many directories as possible, it's going to start making Google trust you more and boost your business. Again, that's not just in your area, but that's your surrounding areas as well. Under the map pack is your organics, and that's where you're getting 60 to 70% of your search results. It's a big deal to be in these organics down here, again, because no one can knock you off that organic besides someone else that's outperforming you with SEO, with the content, with the backlinks, with the citations, with the keywords, things like that. So this is your number one competitor in Douglasville. And as you see, they don't have a lot of content either. So by implementing having more content on your website than theirs, you can start to outrank them while adding those backlinks, content, keywords, and things like that as well. Now, I have this pulled up for you, and you've got a couple of these, actually. Roofing Company, Douglasville, GA. You've got some insane keyword difficulties, man. You can really take advantage of this search volume. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just 500 within just a few of these keywords. So you want to make sure that you're getting these keywords added to your content. That way, you're starting to be found more. I know you also serve Sandy Springs, so I wanted to show you this as well. This is another 1,000 searches a month. You know, you could add this location page to your website and put in your areas, Sandy Springs, and boom, you'll have that much. That's another 1,000 right there. So imagine, even if you're getting only 5% of that, that's 50 new jobs a month, 50 more calls coming into the office, 50 more opportunities. So I really wanted to get this sent out to you, show you this. You see there's definitely a decent amount of volume there. Once you start ranking, a percentage of that volume is going to go to your website, and then a percentage of that is going to give you a call, and then depending on your closing rate, you can turn them into a customer. Otis, I really appreciate talking to you today. I hope this video was helpful. Again, even if you just ask questions, comments, or concerns, you can reach out to me, because I could definitely be that resource for you. I hope you have a great day, Otis. Thanks for your time.